Hello and welcome to today's lecture on aviation decarbonisation, and we'll be specifically looking at hydrogen-powered planes. I'll start the lecture today with a basic overview of aviation carbon emissions and highlight the two main alternatives to traditional aviation fuel. I'll then look at hydrogen energy and discuss how it's made. After that, I'll discuss how the company Airbus is trialling hydrogen fuel technology with a hope to start commercial flights by 2035. This will then follow by looking at the challenges of implementing hydrogen to become commercially competitive, and I'll finish with a summary of my findings. Okay, so let's start with an overview of carbon emissions. As aviation continues to play a key role in connecting people, transporting goods and supporting the global economy, there are worrying signs that unless significant changes are made to air travel, it is unlikely that carbon emissions will reduce enough to make a profound impact. Henderson 2021 reports, although emissions have reduced by more than half in the last 30 years,